Welcome to the Disney Reporter. I am your Disney reporter, Mr. Daps, and let's get right to this week's Disney and Geek News. Let's start things off this week at Walt Disney World, where guests visiting later this year are going to be treated to an incredible summer. We've got all the details of what's going to be happening when they visit this year on dapsmagic.com, and you don't want to miss it. Also at Walt Disney World, the Disney Dining Plan is now available with the mobile app. That's right, if you've got the Disney Dining Plan, you can now use your mobile My Disney experience to order food before you get there. We've got all the details of what it works and how it works on dapsmagic.com. Over at Disneyland, Michael Colglazier is saying goodbye to the Disneyland presidency, and in his place, Josh D'Amaro has been named president. He comes over from the Walt Disney World Resort, and we've got details about his history with the Disney company, along with his origin story on Daps Magic. Michael Colglazier won't be saying goodbye to Disney entirely, though. Instead, he'll be moving to become the managing director for Walt Disney Parks and Resort Asia Pacific, where he'll oversee Shanghai Disney, Hong Kong Disneyland, and also the Oriental Land Company. He has a lot coming for him, and we're very excited for him. Best wishes, Michael Colglazier. There's a lot going on in the world of Marvel this week. First off, AntMan and the Wasp has a new trailer. Yes, it's a big trailer for two little heroes, and we've got that trailer along with details about the movie on dapsmagic.com. Also this week, Black Panther had its world premiere over in the Dolby Theater in Hollywood, and we've got photos of that very special event with a purple carpet. We look forward to its release later this month, and we'll have a review for that up on dapsmagic.com as well. Also at the Disneyland Resort, Splitsville is not open. That's right, this new dining establishment at the downtown Disney District, which will offer food and bowling, is not open yet. It has been doing a soft opening the last few days, and until we know an official opening date, we can't report on it. We can tell you, though, that we have videos and photo of this new location, and you're gonna love it. And finally, we have two stories from a galaxy far, far away for this week's Disney Reporter. Star Wars Galactic Nights will be returning to Walt Disney World's Disney's Hollywood Studios in May, and also medals have been released for the Star Wars Half Marathon, both dark and light sides. Make sure to check all of these out on dapsmagic.com, where we have all your Disney, Star Wars, and geek news. We hope you've all had a very fantastic week. We hope you've enjoyed Daps Magic coverage of Disney and geek news, and we hope to see you in the parks. Make it a great week, everybody.